How to fix enter your PIN to sync your chat history problem. So if you're trying to log into your account on a new device and if it says you need to enter your PIN to sync your chat history, then what you need to do is you just need to simply take your old device first. Once you've taken your old device, you need to open up your Messenger on your old device. After opening your Messenger on your old device, you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. After that, go with the settings, which is on the top right. Now, under settings, you need to scroll down, go with privacy and safety. Under privacy and safety, go with end-to-end encrypted chats. Go with message storage. Under message storage, you will have reset pin option, right? So you just need to simply tap on reset pin and then you can delete your pin or create another pin. Once you tap on reset pin, it will take you to create your pin section. You just need to simply go and create a new pin, confirm your pin, and then you can go with your new device where you logged in your Facebook Messenger and enter that pin that you've just created. That's how you can fix your problem of enter your PIN to sync your chat history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.